So I'm going to show you how to do the tension control knob for the rudder control on this Oldtown 120. It's pretty simple. Maybe even put some nice Loctite on there for you. So you just put this bolt in through there that they give you. First you're going to put this knob in there. So that knob goes right there. Screw that all the way in. Leave it a little loose. Okay, and then this right here is going to go right in there. Phillips head screw. Just until it's snug. And then this piece here just pops on. Just like that, and then you can tighten your tension right here. Works out pretty good. You want to go over here and tighten it, it'll stay. Loosen it up, move it over there, you can tighten it back, or you can leave it loose completely.